What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's video we are going to talk about something new and genuinely interesting in the web hosting space. AdminBolt. What is it, who's behind it, and what makes it different? And the big question a lot of people are starting to ask, could it actually become a real alternative to cPanel? Now, before we go too far into comparisons, let's first understand what AdminBolt actually is. AdminBolt is a modern web hosting control panel designed for hosting providers and server administrators. At its core, it gives you a centralized interface to manage websites, domains, emails, databases, and server-level configurations, but with a more modern approach to how hosting platforms should scale and integrate. It is built with scalability, automation, and flexibility in mind, which are becoming more important as infrastructure continues to evolve. But what actually makes this stand out is who's behind it. AdminBolt is led by Conrad Keck, co-founder of Modules Garden, a company well known in the hosting industry for building powerful WHMCS modules and automation tools used by hosting providers worldwide. So this isn't just another control panel built in isolation. It is being developed by people who actually understand how hosting works at scale, and that gives it a much stronger foundation compared to most new entries in the space. And that alone makes it worth paying attention to. Now let's step back and look at the bigger picture, because to understand why AdminBolt is getting attention, you really need to understand the current state of the control panel market. For a long time, the hosting control panel space has been relatively stable. cPanel has been one of the dominant platforms for decades. It's widely used, well documented, and deeply integrated into hosting workflows across the industry. Direct Admin is another strong option that has maintained a solid presence. So this is not a market where new tools can easily replace established players overnight. But at the same time, the industry has evolved. Hosting providers today are dealing with different challenges compared to the past. There is more of an emphasis on automation, scalability, integration, and long-term cost efficiency. And that leads us to one of the biggest talking points in recent years, pricing. Back in 2019, cPanel was acquired by a private equity firm. And shortly after that, the industry experienced major pricing changes. In some cases, providers saw an increase of up to 400% depending on account usage. Since then, pricing has continued to trend upward, especially with the per account licensing model. What that means in practical terms is as your hosting business grows, your control panel costs grow alongside it. So instead of growth purely increasing your revenue potential, it also increases your operational costs. And for many providers, especially those scaling quickly, that becomes a real concern. Now, it's important to say that this doesn't automatically make cPanel a bad choice. cPanel is one of the most reliable and mature panels available today. It has a massive ecosystem, strong community support, and a long track record of stability. For many providers, that reliability alone makes it the right choice for them. But pricing pressure has opened the door for alternatives to enter the conversation. Another major challenge in this space is vendor lock-in. Once you're deeply invested in a platform like cPanel, switching away is not simple. You're dealing with thousands of accounts, DNS configurations everywhere, email data, server settings, and application environments. Everything is interconnected. So even if a provider wants to switch, the complexity and risk involved often prevent them from doing so. That's why any new control panel needs to solve not just features, but also real-world adoption challenges. And this is where AdminBolt starts to position itself a little bit differently. For example, AdminBolt introduces a flat monthly pricing model instead of per account billing, which is a huge plus. This means that your costs remain more predictable as your customer base grows, which can make scaling your business more sustainable over time. From a technical perspective, AdminBolt is designed to be API first from day one. That allows for better automation, easier integrations, and more flexibility when building modern hosting infrastructure. Instead of being a closed system, it is designed to work alongside tools you already use, like billing platforms, backup systems, mail services, and security solutions, rather than forcing you into a completely new ecosystem. That is a very important distinction, because most hosting providers already have established workflows and systems that are in place. A platform that integrates rather than replaces has a much higher chance of being adopted in real-world environments. As far as RackNerd is concerned, our shared and reseller hosting platforms continue to be powered by cPanel and WHM because of their proven reliability, performance, and long-standing track record. At RackNerd, stability and trust are extremely important when it comes to production environments. That said, we are absolutely paying attention to developments like AdminBolt because the hosting industry continues to evolve, and it's important to stay informed about new technologies and how that may shape the future. Now let's bring this back to the question that matters the most to you. Should you be using cPanel, or should you consider something like AdminBolt? The honest answer is it depends on your situation. If you're currently running a stable environment on cPanel and your workflows, support system, and customer experience are all aligned with it, then staying with cPanel is probably a very strong and practical solution. There's a real value in a platform that is proven, familiar, and widely supported. But if you're a hosting provider or advanced user who is concerned about long-term costs, scalability, or flexibility, then AdminBolt may be something worth evaluating. Not necessarily something to switch to immediately, but definitely something to watch and test as it continues to develop. Just keep it on the radar, especially if your infrastructure strategy is evolving toward more automation and integration. At the end of the day, this is not just about choosing one platform over another. It is about choosing what fits your needs, your goals, and your risk tolerance. For some, that will be cPanel still. For others, AdminBolt may eventually become a viable option. And overall, this kind of competition is good for the industry. It encourages innovation, better pricing models, and more flexible solutions, which ultimately benefit everyone. So, is it too early to call AdminBolt a full cPanel replacement? Absolutely, yes it is. But is it something worth paying attention to? Without a doubt, yes, it is worth paying attention to. It's entering the conversation for a real reason, and those reasons matter to hosting providers, resellers, and anyone managing infrastructure. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below this video. Would you consider switching from cPanel if a solid alternative became available? Or do you think that cPanel is still the best option today? And if you're looking for reliable shared or reseller hosting, feel free to check out RackNerd.com. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.